Hello everyone, welcome once again in Cool IT Help. Guys, this is a new tutorial for you, and here in this tutorial I will show you how to do web automation with the Chrome browser, and we are going to do web automation with the help of Java and Eclipse. So we will look into this in detail, and before starting I have a request. If you think this video is useful for you, so please like this video and share with your friends as well. And guys, subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you will get the latest video updates on time. And now guys, let's get started. So here we're going to write a web automation code, and that will navigate to a website. So this is our target, okay, and we will start from the step 1 now. In the first step, we have to download the Selenium WebDriver plus Chrome driver, because we are going to use Selenium API, so we need a jar file, and we are using the Chrome browser, so we need a driver for that. So we will download two things. So in this step we will do these action item. Okay, so here Selenium jar has all the dependency. Here is the link for the downloading. So you guys can get this link in the description box. So I'm just opening my Chrome browser and I'm going to paste this URL in the address bar. Here we go. And this is the download page, but the docs is open, no problem. Then we have to go here in the download tab, and we will see Selenium standalone server. Under this section we have a download link right here. So you just click on this link and the jar file will be downloaded on your machine. You can see on the left hand side it is showing a warning message because I have installed antivirus. So it is just saying a warning and asking to you to accept or not. So I just clicked on the keep button. Okay, now I'm copying this jar file and placing into a separate folder. So you guys can do the same. Okay, now we have to download the WebDriver for the Chrome. So again I'm going back to the checklist, and here's the WebDriver download link. So the second link also given in the description, so you guys can copy from that place. Okay, now I'm going back here in the Chrome browser and just paste it in the address bar. So guys, this is the Chrome driver download page, you can see, and here we have a section all version available in downloads. So we have to choose first link, Chrome driver 75.0.3770. we just clicked on it and we will be redirected to this page, and we have the directory listing. Here we have a zip file, so we have to choose win32.zip, Chrome driver underscore win32.zip. If you have a Mac machine, so you can select the Mac 64.zip. Otherwise, if you are working with the Windows, so you have to select underscore win32.zip. So just click once and it will start downloading on your machine. It is a very small file, so it is downloaded immediately, and we found the zip file here, and I just copied the file and placing here in the separate folder which I have created in the previous step. And this is zip file we have to extract. So we are just extracting this file here in the same folder. Okay guys, and we found this Chrome driver.exe. This is the mandatory .exe file which is required to launch the Chrome browser. Okay guys, now we're going back to checklist. So in the second step we have to do two subtasks. First we have to import the Selenium jar inside the Java project. So first you have to create the Java project inside the Eclipse, then you will add the Selenium jar in a class path. I hope you guys familiar with this step. Okay, and we will write a small code to set the environment, and we will give the path of this exe for the driver, the Chrome driver. So this component I will explain you in the code, don't worry about that. Now we are moving to the third step. In the third step we have to open the Eclipse and we have to write a automation code. Okay, now we are going inside the Eclipse. So inside the Eclipse, guys, we will create a simple Java project as it was mentioned in the step 2. So I have created a simple Java project. So I am giving a simple name, Web Automation Chrome, and click on the next and click on the finish. So you can see on the left hand side in the package explorer there is a project Web Automation is created, and now I'm going to create one class file. So we have to give a useful name to this class file. So Web Automation is our class file, and here we need a main method. So I'm just checked this option, so that will create a main method in this class by default. Okay, and just click on the finish button. So you will see one class is created with the main method. Now we have to write some code inside it. Guys, this is the very important step that you have to understand, so please watch carefully. I have already written the code. So first I will tell you what we are doing with the code. So this code will open a website URL, okay, and then it will click on the particular link. And here we forget to add the jar. Now so we have to add before starting. So this is the path that I have given, and as an external jar I have added the Selenium. So all dependency will be resolved. Okay, now coming back. So first in the automation script we will open a website. Okay, and then on that website we will click on a particular tab or link, and again we will perform the same activity on the opening page. So we will perform this action. Okay, now I will show you what I'm going to do with within the code. So here's the link. This is my website link, and the same thing will happen when we perform our automation. So that URL will open in the browser, and we will click on this ffmpeg button, and then the relevant page will appear, and on this page we have these 3 links. Then we have to click on the third link. So the third link is useful ffmpeg command. So we will click on this link with the help of automation script. Okay, so finally we will reach on this page. So this is our test case, and after writing the automation code we have to reach at this place. Okay, so I'm going back here in the Eclipse, and I'm going to write the code portion that is required to achieve the target. So I have already written. I will explain you each line one by one. So let me copy this one. Okay, and now here we go. So this is the complete code. This is very simple. Just watch the video carefully and listen what I am saying here. So that is self-explanatory. You can go step by step and you will be able to understand what is happening. I have already commented out. So each step is doing something. Okay, so in this code we have to resolve some dependency. So I'm just doing that, and I have imported that class which is required to run this program. Okay, now here we getting some exception, like we have to throw the exception because we are using the sleep method of thread class. So we can put a try catch block as well, otherwise I have just placed throws. Okay, so all dependencies is resolved now, and now we will look into the code step by step. So at line number 13, so we are setting the property system.set property as we have an environment variable. So the same activity we are performing here with this line. Okay, WebDriver.Chrome.Driver, this is a property, and the value is the path of the exe file. So here's our exe. So same path we have to give at this place, because before loading the WebDriver, we have to run the Chrome driver.exe. Okay, and the line number 15, we are just creating the instance of Chrome driver. Okay, and now we have the reference variable driver, so we will call the get method with the help of this driver object. Okay, so what is the use of get? If you call the get and you have to pass a URL, a web URL, so that at the time of running the automation, so browser will open and that URL will be clicked and the home page will appear. So first, in the first step, we are visiting this URL. So you guys can any of the URL. So you have to first write the pseudo code, then you can write the code here in the Java inside the Eclipse. Okay guys, and then I have given the thread.sleep. So we will wait for 5 seconds so you can see what is happening on that page. So we are going in right direction or not. That's why I have given the wait. But in some cases, if you will perform an advanced level of web automation, then you have need this thread.sleep and a wait method of driver. So we will explain that thing later, but right now we are using thread.sleep only to see the automation activity. Okay, and on this page we are going to click on this ffmpeg tab. So what we have to do, we have to find the element. So what is the, how you can find? You have to use the driver object, then you have to use the method find element, and then you can find this element by link text. So we are using a by class and we have to call the static method link text because this is the link on the page. So you have to do inspect and then you have to check what kind of element it is. So here I have done the same thing. I have done the inspect, then I came here and I checked and found this is the hyperlink text. Okay, so you can search the hyperlink text with the help of by class. Okay, and we are using the static method of by class, by.link text. That means you are saying that you have to find a link which has a text ffmpeg. Okay, so we are doing a search in this way. So there is a utility method inside the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, and once we found this thing, so we will have this search box object ready to perform the click action. So at line number 26 we have done a click, so the link will be clicked on the browser. Okay, and now in the second step, now in the next step, we have given a thread.sleep for 5 seconds. So the activity will stop for 5 seconds only, and then we can see we have just clicked on the right link and the correct page is opened. Okay, now we have to go on that page and again we will click on the another link of that page. So here we are choosing the last link, so we will click on this link with the help of automation. So again we have to do inspect element and we have to check what is it. This is href and this is also a href text. That means this is a link text. So you can use the same utility method of by class, by.link text. Now you can see at line number 32 by.link text, and you can pass this link text useful ffmpeg commands. So driver will find this item and it will wrapped inside the object, and that will assign to the link reference variable, and we are ready with this object. So link dot click, you can click and the further page will appear. So this is our target we have to reach finally after running our automation script. So at line number 33 we clicked on the link.click, so we will reach on the target page. In the last we have given the 10-second sleep so we can verify our output, so our script is reaching on the right place or not. And at line number 37 we are just closing the browser. We are giving the command to driver that now it's time to close, so driver will close and it will close the Chrome browser as well, and program will stop finally. So guys, this was the code, and now I'm going to run this program so you guys can see yourselves is it working properly or not. Okay guys, and you can explore this thing more on your end, and you can perform lot more web automation operations on different websites as per your requirements. So here we go. You can see a Chrome browser is opened and the home page is open right now, and now FFmpeg link is clicked and we can see the content of the FFmpeg page. And now we just clicked on the last link of that page and we reached on our target page as we have expected. So our automation script is working fine and we are waiting for the closing of this browser window. Okay, it's closed now. So this was our last statement, that closing this window. In this way till now our script is working properly, but we have seen that that browser is not opened in the full screen, so we have to open this full screen. Then we have to write this code driver.manage.window.full-screen, so it will open the browser in full screen mode. Now you can see I just run this program again. Now you can see first the driver window is open, now is expanded across the screen. Now it is in the full screen mode, and you can see automation is running. It just clicked on the FFmpeg. Now it's going to click on the last link, useful FFmpeg command. Okay, just clicked and we reached on the our target destination page, and after 10 seconds it will be closed by the driver. Okay, so the browser is closed and the program is closed. Program is completed now. So guys, this was the web automation tutorial for you. So this is a basic introduction. There's a lots of thing inside the web automation. If you guys found this video useful, so please like this video and share with your friends as well. And if you guys have any doubts, so please comment in the comment box. I will try my best to reply as soon as possible. And guys, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so you will get the latest video updates on time. So guys, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.